Welcome back. In order to run YouTube ads, you are going to need to have a Google Ads account. So you'll want to go to your favorite search engine and you'll want to type in Google Ads, and you're going to click on this link that says Google Ads. That will bring you to the Google Ads home page. And if you don't have an account, you can click Start Now in order to start an account. Or if you have an old account, you can sign in. Now, if you do have an old account, it's possible that you'll need to go through two-factor authentication. You will then be signed into your account. One thing you'll want to do is to make sure that your YouTube channel is linked to your ads account. So you'll want to click this link that says Linked Accounts. And if you don't have your account linked, you're going to see a link here and you're going to click on YouTube and you're going to click on the details. Now in this case, our account is now linked. We're just going to click Manage and Link. Now, just for the sake of this video, we're going to unlink the account. And we're going to go back and we're going to go to the Add Channel process. So we're going to click Add Channel. We're going to place the URL of our YouTube channel here in this area. We're then going to state that we own the channel. We are then going to click Go to YouTube. What you will then want to do is to select the channel that you're going to use for your ad. You're then going to give yourself an internal name for your channel. You will then link your channel to your ad account. Your channel will then be linked to your Google Ad account. Once your account status is active, you can then begin running your ads on your Google Ads account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back.